What's so good about having visible abs if when it comes to your core, you can't do a squat without any back pain, you can't do a sit-up without any back pain. And that's why we're here, to focus on core strength, so therefore we can get visible abs later on. Because when we're stronger, we're more confident in our movement, and when we're more confident in our movement, that's when the real results come in. So welcome to part 2 of strengthening your core. We got 12 minutes, let's get into it. As we begin, I just want to warm up those hips. We're gonna go with 10 on each side. Now we're warmed up, we're going to start side plank. Go kneeling, we're going to go full body. Switch sides. Come on, hold it, we're right there, 2, 1, time. Heading right towards that final push. Almost there. 2, 1, nice. I know it's burning, just 2 more. There you go. Remember that you're a fighter. You got this. Keep on pushing. Almost there. It's that final push. It's that final push, baby. Come on, come on. 3, 2, 1. We're right there. We're right there. 2, 1, time.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking
Heading right towards that final push. Almost there.
staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
I know it's burning. I know it's burning. Just 2 more. There you go. Come on, hold it. We're right there. We're right there. 2, 1, time. Heading right towards that final push. Almost there. And that's it for part 2, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And you may ask, why do squats towards the end? Because when it comes to squats, we utilize every muscle group we just worked on during a squat. So it's a great finisher with components, a great way to test how your balance is after you just get a stability workout. It's a great way to see how your strength is when it comes to your core, not just supporting while you're laying flat, but supporting on your feet. So that's why I included squats towards the end. And I hope for you, while doing it, you felt a little bit better. You felt it was easier because these muscle groups were warmed up. With that being said, let me stop rambling. I'll send you off however I progress your day. Hope you enjoyed this one. Remember, if you ever need some help, I got some free guides down below, so make sure you get those. With that being said, hope you progress your day. Stay beautiful, stay blessed. Peace.